I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install and use Grok 4.5 version on Windows operating system. So this is recently launch of this version Grok 4.5. Now, if I go into this command prompt and if I write let's use CLS first. So if I write there pw as such minus version. So you can see PowerShell 7.63 that already installed. Now here in the Google search box right there, Grok 4.5, then go on this x.ai site. Click this. Then you can get there introducing Grok 4.5. And let's click on this try for free. So you can get this mid Grok new. And here this is clip is there. Now here you can see bring Grok into your terminal. So there are two ways. First is by using PowerShell or WSL. So you can get the WSL command and this is PowerShell. So PowerShell, that's fine for Windows. So copying this command. And now this here, you need to open the PowerShell. So in the search box, let's write there PowerShell. So PowerShell 7 is there. You need to paste this command or installing Grok, and this is now currently downloading the file. The total size 129 MB, and this here you can see the percentages. So this for Windows 64-bit operating system x32 and 64. This is IRM command and this here site. So almost done. So this download part that has done here. And after that, that will start doing the installation. So installing on this location. Grok exe file is there. And here this agent exe also. So installing this location. And here this stuff. After that, simply you need to write the command Grok. So here you need to use this command Grok, or you can also try their assets. So automatically this page that's open there, sign into Grok or continue here, enter the code in your terminal. So when you sign in, then you can get the code. So if I go back this here, so after here, then CDD tab. And here waiting for approval. So after doing the sign-in process, you can start using the Grok there. Okay, so when you do there, if I click on this continue, so you can do the login with your Google account, X account, Apple account, and when you did this login, then you can get the API key. API key you need to paste there on this, and after approval, then you can start using the Grok latest version. Okay, so this is how we can install and use Grok 4.5 on Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.